We're here in beautiful St. Charles at First Street Plaza. This is one of our favorite suburbs to get out and explore.
Especially as it gets warmer. It's got great places to walk around, great places to take some pictures for the gram.
Yes.
I'm just saying. We are joined right now by Jenna Sawicki from the St. Charles Business Alliance. Jenna, we can't help but notice there's so much art. Can you tell us what that's about?
Yeah, art is so important in St. Charles. We had 5 new murals installed in the downtown from artist Steffi Lim. You might know her from Instagram and her famous Have a Nice Day murals. Yeah. And that's the exact kind of day we want you guys to have in St. Charles.
Well, I love that positive message. And I heard she designed some specifically for St. Charles?
Yeah, she made 3 for us. Radiate positivity, you look good, and you made it. It was awesome working with her, and we can't wait for people to see them in person.
So if you come out for the murals, you take some awesome pictures, what else can people expect when they're visiting St. Charles?
A great place to start is the First Street Plaza here. We've got great shopping, great dining. The river runs right through our downtown. There's tons of ways to get out on the river, and we just can't wait for people to come out.
And let's not forget the breweries.
Oh, the brewers are working on something really cool. You should check it out.
Okay, let's go. Let's check it out.
Beer.
What's a good one you'd like? Well, hi, Ryan. Thanks for having us. We've heard that the St. Charles breweries have gotten together to create. What's this all about?
You sure are. This is a light amber lager. It's got a nice, delicate caramel malt balance, balanced out with some bittering hops. Give it a nice, clean finish with a little spice and citrus, kind of like a Boston lager with a twist.
This is so good, and this is a collaboration, right?
It was, yeah. It's the 6 breweries that call St. Charles home that came together to make a beer to contribute to the local communities.
And you can get this right here in St. Charles?
Yeah, Mother Nature will finish this up in early June, and we'll have it available at all 6 tap rooms in St. Charles.
Cheers to that. Thank you, Ryan.
Cheers.
And our thanks to Jenna.
Absolutely. And if you want to plan your trip to St. Charles and learn more about this tasty beer, more importantly, go to stcalliance.org. Very good. This is a tasty beer.
Oh, this is really good.
Yeah.